Falls Creek Falls. As you can see, the path is well laid out. There's a few trip hazards, but it's dog friendly and kid friendly. Falls Creek Falls has 3 tiers. This bottom tier pictured here is the most accessible and is about 90 feet. In total, this particular set of falls has a drop of about 320 feet total. This second tier is about 125 feet. It's pretty accessible, a bit of a climb to get up there, but it's pretty doable for most people. In case you're wondering about the water temperature, it is very cold. I would not recommend hiking into the waterfall unless you have really good shoes. The rocks are very slippery and it's very easy to lose your footing, but it's a lot of fun. This third tier that is about to be shown is the smallest drop, but definitely the most inaccessible. It's very difficult to reach, and most people don't even know it's up there.